Hi there! Today we're piping two different peonies using the same type of piping tips. We're using GG 105 and 106 tips. Both are very thin, with one slightly larger than the other. You can use either tip for both styles of flowers. On the left, we're piping a more elaborate flower. It features many shorter, smaller petals, built in layered rows. On the right, we're creating larger petals that cover more surface area of the flower. We're piping in real time to give you an idea of how long it takes. We only edited small pauses so it's easier to watch. At normal speed, the more detailed flower on the left takes about 3 to 4 minutes to complete, while the one on the right takes about 1 to 2 minutes. For the flower on the left, we're keeping it more open to showcase the intricate, layered petal design. On the right, we're keeping the flower slightly more closed. Notice the height of the petals and the horizontal support layer we build. This helps provide stability for the larger flower. Our peony on the right is now complete, while we're still working on the one on the left. Let's pipe another medium-sized flower on the right while we have time. One of the great things about piping flowers in different sizes and levels of complexity is how well they work together in arrangements, complementing each other beautifully. We also believe that including a few more elaborate flowers can really elevate the overall value of a handcrafted piece. For the flower on the left, we're also adding small white petals, piping some directly into the center. This helps bring the flower together, adding volume and a more natural flow. And there we go. We've piped 3 flowers today using the same type of piping tip. Let us know if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more flower piping content.